Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pica pencil is probably one of the most innovative marking tools you'll ever encounter. Designed for precision and durability, these pencils are perfect for a wide range of applications, from construction to artistic endeavors. Their unique features, such as the ability to mark on various surfaces and their robust build, make them a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Join me as we dive deep into the world of Pica pencils and discover why they're a game-changer. Number 5. Pica 30403 Marker Kit and Lead Case 4030. This kit is designed for precision. It includes everything you need for accurate marking. It makes the job easier. The lead case protects the leads from breaking. They are strong and long-lasting, ensuring you can keep working without interruption. The kit comes with everything you need. It's a complete solution for your marking needs. You will find it very useful. The markers and leads are simple to use. The design is intuitive, so you can get started right away. It's user-friendly. This product is made by Pica. The brand is known for quality and reliability. You can trust it. What we like. This kit includes both a marker and a lead case, offering a complete solution for your marking needs. It's perfect for professionals who need a reliable and versatile marking system. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to tackle various projects, you should consider this. What people say. This pencil does just that. This product is less about drawing writing and more about marking materials. The built-in sharpener is a huge plus, and the stowing clip ensures that I always know where my pencil is when I need it. The bright color is easy to see if you lay it down, but why lay it down when the holder slips right in your pocket? Don't have a pocket? No problem, the belt clip keeps it secure. Point getting worn. The sharpener is right on the holder. This has a much thicker lead and the grip is much more comfortable. The built-in sharpener lets you quickly get the point as sharp as you need it. The high visibility body makes it easy to spot once you put it down. The holder has an excellent clip that it stays where you put it through repeated uses. Number 4. Pica 30405 Pack Dry 3030 plus Caja -4050. This is the Pica Dry 3030. It comes with a 4050 refill pack. The leads are specially designed for joiners. The package includes a 4050 refill pack. It features graphite hardness H leads. These leads are perfect for detailed work. These leads are graphite hardness H. They are designed for joiners. You will find it is easy to use. The leads are specifically designed for joiners. They are durable and provide precise marking. It is a great choice. The Pica Dry 3030 and its refills are easy to use. They are a great tool for any joiner. You will love it. What we like. This product features graphite hardness H leads, specifically designed for joiners. The leads are durable and precise, making them ideal for woodworking tasks. If you are a joiner looking for accuracy and reliability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Pica pencil is a great tool for marking on various surfaces. The Longlife automatic pencil is a game-changer for anyone who needs to make precise marks. The pencil's design allows for easy one-handed operation, making it incredibly convenient to use. Number 3. Pica 3030 plus 4040 Dry Pen Set. This pen set can write on almost any surface. It's designed to be versatile and reliable, no matter the material. The pen comes with a practical quiver protector. It also features a special clip for easy carrying and access. You can operate this pen with just one hand. It's designed for ease of use and a fail-safe mechanism. The set includes special leads in green, blue, and white. These leads are designed for various marking needs. This pen is ideal for marking tiles, especially when wet cutting. Its leads are water jet resistant and durable. The leads have a 2.8 mm diameter and are 125 mm in length. They are designed for precision and long-lasting use. What we like. This pen writes on all material surface types and is water jet resistant. It also features one-handed operation, making it incredibly convenient. If you're working with tiles and need a reliable pen for wet cutting, this is the one for you. What people say. The Pica Pencil is great for marking on various surfaces. The Longlife automatic pencil is a great feature. The product is very useful for woodworking. Number 2. Pica 3030 SB Dry Longlife Automatic Pen, 2-pack. This pen features a special 2B graphite lead, allowing it to mark on nearly any surface. It works whether the surface is dry or wet, glossy or rough, dusty or oily. Easily clean marks from glossy surfaces with just a damp cloth. It's that simple to maintain and keep clean. The pen offers versatile capabilities with its special color leads. You can choose options for bright or dark surfaces, and even water-soluble or water-resistant options are available. The pen has a convenient quiver cap with a special clip for easy, one-handed use. It's designed for maximum convenience and ease of use. The patented design includes an integrated sharpener in the quiver cap. This means the sharpener is always readily available when you need it. What we like. This pen uses a special for all graphite lead 2B, allowing it to mark on almost all surfaces. It also has an integrated sharpener and a convenient quiver cap for one-handed handling. If you like a versatile pen with a built-in sharpener, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The Pica Pencil is a great tool for marking on various surfaces. The Longlife automatic pencil is very convenient. The pencil's design allows for easy and precise marking. Number 1. Pica 30402 Marker Kit and Lead Case 4020. Introducing the Pica 30402 Marker Kit and Lead Case 4020. It's a versatile tool for all your marking needs. This kit is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. This kit includes an 8-pack of multicolor water-soluble leads. They are perfect for a variety of projects. You can easily wipe them off with water. This tool is great for marking holes from 6 mm. It's precise and easy to use. It will make your work more accurate. The Pica marker can mark and write on all materials and surfaces. No matter what you're working on, it will get the job done. It's a must-have tool for any project. This Pica kit is a versatile and reliable tool. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. You'll find it indispensable for a wide range of tasks. What we like. This marker kit includes a pack of multicolor water-soluble leads. It's designed for marking holes from 6 mm, making it ideal for various applications. If you need a marker for precise hole marking, this is the one for you. What people say. The Pica Pencil is a great tool for marking on various surfaces. The pencil's design allows for easy and precise marking. The Pica Pencil works well for detailed work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.